Good morning, guys. We're here with another microlock extension install. So I was lucky enough to get this hair sent to me from Exyhair, okay? So this client wanted salt and pepper. So we got the Afro Kinky bulk. You probably can't see that. Can you see that? Yeah, so we got the Afro Kinky human hair bulk, 12 ounces of it. I mean, that's not true. 12 inches, 1 ounce each. And here's the hair, so it's in the net. So the one thing I like about this hair is that you're able to separate it like this into 3. This helps when you're trying to pull pieces to add into the twist or the braids. So here's the hair. I'm going to prep this hair, I always like to use a little bit of water. It helps make the strands longer. So let me show you what I mean. So I literally just spray it normally on my table, and then it kind of helps stretch the hair out so that it's easier to separate and add in. So I will be showing you this install today in my suite. First extension install in my new suite. So if you would like to see me install this hair, keep watching. First and foremost, thank you for watching my video, and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. We mothers, boop. So about this install, this client had a salt and pepper area on the top of her head at the crown. So we used the salt and pepper hair in that area. So you can also see, like, in this mid part of her head, she's experiencing some breakage, just really short hairs. So this was a great place to have the extensions added. You've seen my technique before. If you have not, I like to braid it in a little bit and then I twist the rest of the way. You're gonna see here in a minute where I needed to add more length to one of these, and I had to twist the extension hair into I guess further down into the twist. So you're gonna see that in a second, and I'll explain what I'm doing once that's happening. So adding length to the end of these can be a little tricky with the twisting method, but in layman's terms, you want to twist the extra hair in the opposite way you're actually twisting the hair, if that makes sense. So I am twisting to my right. So I'm going to twist the extension hair on each part of the twist to my left. And then I'm going to twist them to the right together, if that makes sense. It's just like when you do two-strand twist on locks. You do the same type of method. You twist everything to the right and then twist it to the left to keep it tight. So I hope that helps. Let me know if you need more in-depth details about that. It took me a minute to master it, so it takes a while to get the hang of what you need to do. And here is the final product. This client loved her hair. After I did the install, I shaped it up a bit with my scissors, just brought everything together and, sprayed it down and hydrated it. So I'll keep you guys informed of how these age, but this is her install. She loved it. I loved it. It was great. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you guys in the next one. And don't forget, leave your questions, comments, or concerns in the comments. Bye.